Assalamualaikum my dear student. Today I will be going with you one of the tips that is how to if you want to run a JavaScript program. So certain softwares are there which you should take it up. This is one of the software showing you in the icon that is a free G. Okay, and this is one of the that is a it is called as Notepad A plus software. Free G is very good and utilization software has I will be showing you how the software you just have to install just to take if you get both this software is well and good for you to understand the programming very easy. I already installed the software and everything I have done up, but if you want to install the software you just click on any one of this. It is in a zip file, you have to extract it. You will be extracting the file wherever you want. Here if you extract the files here, I show you one more. Now I am showing you the extraction file. See free just install this file. I'm just showing for you. Yes, if you give it, it will be if already installed and it will be showing it is on. This is the way they install up and they work up. Okay, and this is how the work is done. I just want as I already installed the software, go only next and then here I have installed the software. That is why I don't want to install it, so I am giving it quick yes. Okay, and then the installation is done up. Now see this software how it will be looking up. You will be seeing this type of free JavaScript coding editor. See, this is the free JavaScript editor. Very nicely you were able to go with each and every programming step by step. And today I am going only for the introduction of how to edit in JavaScript. We can edit in Notepad, but for convenient there has many of the tools are there. If you want in the statements, the styles you want, the style will be coming up. See here, if you want has this I don't want the style here now, so I don't want these things to be done up. Similarly, if you want HTML tags, underline tags, so underline tags will be write the content here and see the output. If you want to see it here, debugging is there. You debug it. Okay, there is no JavaScript in the current document. As I have not saved it, I have to save it, and then this file will be running. And this is very nicely with very good software which can be used for you to futures. There are many things while switch case is there. You can go with the switch case, body case, and see how the content is looking up. I am putting up that for each and every content can be worked up. So today I am only going with this software how it works, and this is very nice software. I got it from the net, and very nicely we can install and have the programming, and we can understand the concept of the programming. So let me go with a simple example here. I'm just going here. I'm just going with some of the example. Where if you save as is there, when you save as, it will be asking you which file you want, HTML file to HTML file. Now I'm just going with the HTML file. Just see how it's working up. Okay. So what I'm doing, body I'm not taking, switch case I'm not taking, anything I'm not taking. I'm just giving this is. I'll see what it will be showing me. Okay. Body. I am going with the content BG color. See, everything is there. Okay. Choose the color. If you are choosing the color, I'm choosing the dark color and add to the custom color. Okay, till it whatever color name is there, just I've given this file. I just save as, and it is HTML file. It will be saved as HTML. I'm not writing untitled one. I'm writing 1 2 3. Okay, and save it. Now I will be running it. So let me see how it work up. Your HTML file also will be running, JavaScript file also will be running up. So what I will be doing here and just is debugging it first. First picture, there is no JavaScript in the current diagram. I don't want JavaScript, so I will be going with the HTML file. Okay, and under tag closer, all these things can be done. Because as it is a JavaScript file, it will be showing it, so we have to run it. So what I am doing up, I am putting our JavaScript here in the head and body, and then we can contain this. Okay, so let me go with certain of the coding. Here I will be taking some part of the coding from somewhere, and I am putting it here so that it can be help you to understand what the coding exactly means with you. I'm just I've taken certain content from here dear, and I'm just going with this word file and I'm just writing it up. So let me see how it work up. Okay, so let me show you up what are the things I have done up here. I'm cutting all this scripting here. Just control please. Now whatever I have written here I have saved here. Now debugging, first file have to be saved. Just I am going with the save. Now debugging it, and when we debug or execute it, it will be showing you see how the debugging has done up. Now here you will be having a run button. Just go with the run button. You see how the hello world it is typed right now, whatever content. So simple coding we can do, so very simple complicated every coding we will be seeing each and every this thing. This is one of the good software I got it from the net, and it's very useful for you student. So that has, there are many things available here. Switch case are available here. If you want switch case here, you can get a switch case here, and everything will be there. So hope you got this. This tab is called as free JavaScript editor. One more I have told you, that is the notepad editor. Now see here, this is the notepad editor. Till now I have not done with anything in notepad editor, but I will be showing you the software also so that it will help you. This is the notepad plus plus editor. Okay, and same thing, same content is there here also. Encoding is there, language setting is there, whatever language you want, ActionScript one, ASP1. Now if as you are science student, you will be going with the Python also. Yep, that is PHP is there. You can go with the PHP cases and everything. So it's a good thing that you get this type of software in your computer, you install in this computer, and the coding will be running for you. So hope you understand better ki now while we writing, because in notepad sometimes you don't want some software, you want like that you just type it up and you get the answer. So I'm going with these type of software for helping you. And afterward we will be seeing in notepad also a simple notepad, but it's good for you to go with this type of software. Hope you understand the concept. So jazakallah beta.